These 8 plants are easiest to grow, not only in soil but also in the water. You can use them as a centerpiece on shelves and tabletops. Pothos. Pothos is one of the easiest houseplants to grow and keep in water. Simply plant a cutting with at least one node submerged in a decorative vase of water, and it will develop roots and continue to grow. Lucky bamboo. The good luck plant grows best in water than soil. Just keep the stalks submerged in water and it will thrive with minimum care. Philodendron. Many philodendron varieties can be grown in water easily, especially the heartleaf philodendron, which has a similar growing requirement as pothos. Wandering dude. The purple-green foliage of the inch plant looks adorable when planted outdoors or indoors. If you're growing it in water, just provide it sufficient indirect light. Arrowhead plant. Arrowhead plants can grow in low light indoors. You can propagate this in water without soil. Take a stem cutting with a node, position it in water, and watch it root and grow. English ivy. English ivy can be a great addition to the water-based garden. You can grow this beautiful vine in water easily. Spider plant. When your spider plant produces spiderets or pups at the end of its long arching leaves, trim them to place in water to root. Growing spider plants in water is quite easy. Jade plant. You can try this beautiful succulent in water instead of soil for a mess-free display in your indoor garden. If you found this video helpful and exciting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!